Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital DIY. I'm Luna and I'm thrilled to have you here for today's video. But before we dive in, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Now let's jump right into it. In today's video, we're going to edit this photo. It's a raw image and is clearly underexposed. Let's start by adding some exposure. I'll increase it to a level that looks good to me. I think 2.6 is good enough. Next, I'll decrease the highlights all the way down and increase the shadows to 32. Now, let's add some contrast by increasing the white point to 40 and decreasing the blacks to -30. In the color mixer section, I like to make the oranges more reddish and the greens more yellowish to get an autumn colors background. So I'll decrease the hue for orange to -65 and green to -45. The calibration feature of Lightroom is awesome. It makes all the colors more vivid and modifying primary. Green or blue is depending on the photo. For this one, I increase the green primary saturation to 55. Now, if you click and hold on the icon, you can see the difference. Okay, now let's apply some local adjustments. Select the masking tool and choose the Select Subject option. I'd like to make my subject a bit sharper. So I'll increase the texture to 35, clarity to 15, and sharpness to 50. It looks better, but we can make the background more blurred. I'll do this by duplicating mask 1. Then you need to invert it to select all the areas except the subject. Right, now I'll decrease texture to -30, clarity to -40, and sharpness to -90. One last thing is to add a vignetting preset, but because the subject is not in the middle of the frame, it's not a good idea to use presets. So I'll create another mask using the radial gradient tool and drag it over the subject, then you need to invert the mask. Great, now I'll decrease the exposure to -40. Now let's see the before and after. Cool. I'm very happy with the edit and hope you liked it too. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more Lightroom tutorial. Until next time, keep creating and capturing those amazing moments. See you in the next video.